discovery we have made to proving alien life.
Recently, scientists have found a whole new star system, which orbits a dwarf star called Trappist 1.
Also, scientists have found out that 3 of the planets, D, E and F, could support alien life, as they may have water stores.
Now we have the public opinion.
Now,
Thank you, Josh. Hello, I'm with Linda and Tom, a lovely couple in Kent, the Garden of England. Hello, Tom. Hello, Linda.
Hello, Nathan.
So, what do you think about aliens?
Well, I think there's a possibility that there are aliens. When you read in the papers all about it, I think there's a good possibility that there's aliens out there. How does Tom feel?
Well, it's such a vast universe that maybe there could be somewhere out there somewhere, couldn't there?
Okay. Now that you have seen this information, do you think this information could be false or fabricated?
No, if it's proven they've done it, haven't they?
I'm sure they've done lots of research into it,
Yeah.
and that no, I don't think it is false. I think that.
Do you think the aliens are more advanced than us? And what would they look like?
No, I don't think they would be more advanced with us, because I think they probably would have come here first. But how do I think they look? Well, when you watch the programmes on TV, you tend to think they're going to be very small, very short, and a little bit slimy. But they'll probably prove us all wrong. Be really good looking.
Well, I was brought up in the 1950s when you had the Eagle comic, and there was all people called the Meekons, and they was like Beacon. Well, we don't know what a Beacon is, but little people with great big domes on their head.
Yeah.
And we always imagined they'd look like that, but they won't look like that. They might be a little mouse, mightn't they? A little life.
That could be true.
Yeah.
Finally, do you think it's ethically correct for us to explore their planets?
No, I don't think that we should do, because I think that how would we feel if they came here and tried to take over us? I think we should have to think very deeply about that one.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think it'd be right to just go and just turn up on their doorstep.
But if you did go there, you're invading it anyway, aren't you? You're still going to take your values and people there, aren't you? So
Yes,
it's going to be, you can't help but invade if you go there, can you?
Yeah.
Maybe they'd be pleased if we did. Maybe we know a little bit more than they do, who knows? And they would be grateful if we did.
Maybe they've already established connection with us and we don't know yet.
Yeah,
So-
that's, yes, you read in the paper about the UFOs that
Yeah.
are about, and people have seen people, but there again, it's one of those things we don't know for sure.
So it's like a legend like the Loch Ness Monster or Bigfoot.
Absolutely, yeah, who knows?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's still to be proved, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
Right.
So,
Thank you for your time. Back to the studio.
now that you've seen what the public thinks, we'll tell you some more facts and statistics about the TRAPPIST-1 star system.
On May the 2nd, 2016, scientists discovered TRAPPIST-1, an alien star which is 39 light years away from our solar system. The star is 12 times smaller than the Sun, but is just slightly larger than Jupiter.
The discovery is made by the transiting Planets Mall's small telescope. With it, the findings of 7 exoplanets in the TRAPPIST-1 were made. Then, during February 2016, researchers found out that 3 of the planets were particularly promising, as they could contain pockets of liquid.
These planets were discovered from their regular shadows as they would cast during their orbit of the star. Due to their transit signals, scientists could measure each of the planet's orbital periods and their sizes.
The planets have sizes and masses comparable to Venus. Moreover, as we know how the distances between the star and the planets and the star's temperature, we can indicate and calculate how much light the energy the planets receive. The amount of light the planets intake is the same as planets from Mercury beyond Mars.
In addition, on June the 3rd, 2016, scientists found out that the planets TRAPPIST-1b and 1c do not possess hydrogen envelopes.
Now, after receiving all these solid facts, let's listen to what the science expert thinks.
What conditions will the planet need to be counted as habitable?
So to be habitable for humans, the planet has to be in what's known as the Goldilocks zone. So it has to have liquid water on it for us to be able to drink. And ourselves, water is a very large component of that. So essentially, without liquid water, we wouldn't be able to survive. On this planet, there also needs to be oxygen in the form of a gas. And that's very important as inside our bodies, we undergo lots of chemical processes, and oxygen is essential to helping us to use our energy. Another essential part of the planet is having surrounding an atmosphere, because our sun puts out a lot of radiation, and whatever star is nearest to this planet, it has to be able to protect its inhabitants from that.
What would it take to go there one day, and will it ever be possible?
So, to travel to this planet, or these planets, they're in a really far away place. They're 39 light years away. And the number sort of 39, it doesn't sound massive. But if you were to be travelling at the speed of light, which to us, I don't know if that will ever be possible, because the laws of physics kind of say it isn't. But that would take 39 years. That's incomprehensible how long it would be possible. So, could it be possible? Maybe. But at our current level of technology, no.
Finally, we would like to tell you about what this discovery might mean and offer for us in the future. We will be given more accurate masses and orbital knowledge as researchers receive more information on light curves and ground-based measurements. Finally, we should be able to confirm whether these planets are rocky or whether they have the amount of volatile materials necessary for life, such as water.
Thank you for listening, and we wish you to have a good afternoon.
Goodbye.
Maddie, stop that.